Everybody has their favourite sandwich. And of course there's posh, lovely ones like smoked salmon. We're just looking at some bread here. And there's ham and there's cheese and there's cream cheese, there's cucumber, there's all sorts. But I think we're about to make Britain's favourite today. We're starting with butter because that's what we do. Can you guess what it is? It's a classic tea time treat. It's a Chip Butty. Roger's cooking chips. So this isn't terribly interesting right now, but wait a minute. There we have them. Oh, lovely. The usual accompaniments are salt, vinegar, ketchup, or we have something called daddy sauce or OK sauce here, brown sauce, which we don't do in our house. For some reason, we don't like it. So hot chips, buttered bread. Roger, what are you going to have on your half? Ham? That is not a traditional accompaniment.
No vinegar.
Oh, for goodness sake. Well, I am going with some of that and definitely a pinch of salt.
Only on half.
All right. Oh. If my doctor's watching, these are made of carrots and are terribly healthy. This isn't one to have at an afternoon tea setting or with posh friends. This is best enjoyed alone. Bit of salt. You're just going to judiciously just... Oh, you've done it. No, you haven't done any.
I don't want it on mine.
You fool. Put it on half.
There you go, on half.
You have to take the lid off.
I don't want it.
Well, cut the thing in half and I'll add some to mine.
It doesn't work like that.
Oh, for goodness sake. Do you see what I have to put up with? What's going on? Right. Oh, no. Stop. See, I have to put up with what he wants in the sandwich. And you still didn't take the lid off. You're being just naughty.
Don't want any.
I'm not asking you to have your half with it on. Sorry, we thought a Chip Butty would be an easy thing. Why is this a butty, but it's never a smoked salmon butty or an egg mayonnaise butty? They're sandwiches. Triangles or halves? Can I have this side? I like the Brussels. Thank you very much. I'm now going to add some vinegar to mine. It's going to be delicious.
Do you want to garnish?
Go on. Marvellous.